Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. What's going on? DV, me and mine TV. I hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day, but everybody, the champs are here. Because do you know what this stands for? Do you know what this stands for? It stands for the Super Bowl number 52 Super Bowl champions. Now, before we get into this install video, I do have to say this. For all of those Dallas Cowboy fans out there, I know right now you're a little salty right now. Got a little cotton mouth, got a little dry mouth going on because my Philadelphia Eagles, your Philadelphia Eagles, our Philadelphia Eagles just won the Super Bowl. But I have a solution for you. A nice, fresh, cold bottle of Dasani water. Go to your local gas station, maybe your local Walmart. Buy one of these as quick as you can. Gulp it down as quick as you can, and maybe then your ass won't be salty anymore. But let's go ahead and get right into this video. Okay, everybody, so we got all the screws out. We got the tail light out, barely as you can see right here because I'm not about to scratch my paint. But this is for all those people who say that I'm not mechanical. You're damn straight I'm not mechanical. I'm not one of these guys who really knows how to work on cars, but something simple like this thought I could do myself. But just so everybody gets a chuckle, you see these screws right here? That little one right there and that one right there? I'm literally sitting here for like 20 minutes turning those things, thinking they were bolts, trying to get them things out, only to realize they're actually stuck to the body panel piece. And all you really got to do is take those 3 screws out. Let me just zoom on out here. Take those 3 things out and give this thing a little bit of force, and it'll literally come out. So, yeah, for everybody who says I'm not mechanical, yeah, you're right. I'm not. Let's go ahead and kick back up that music and go ahead and continue the install. And there you have it, everybody. We got the passenger side in and under, I think like 11 minutes it took me. Everything's nice and flush. Don't mind my dirty car. It hasn't been washed in literally 2 weeks since the Super Bowl. But everything's back on. Now let's move over to the driver's side. And there you have it, everybody. Tail lights are in, looking damn good. And I cannot wait to see how these things complement the look when I put the wrap on a car. So in a couple of weeks, stay tuned for that. Now, I know what some of y'all out there thinking, DV, you ain't mechanical, bruh. You probably put them things in backwards, bruh. They probably don't even work, bruh. Okay, well, let's go ahead and test out that theory. We got the, let me show you, we got the key right here. So let's see if these things work. Ooh, in the face. In the face, haters, yes. DV can pull out some stuff and put it back in. But because I got to make this video short because I'm actually about to get my tires installed, so stay tuned for that video. You see that god-awful bow tie? And yes, for all those people who keep telling me to take this damn thing off, as soon as it gets warm, because as you can see, I've tried to take a letter off, and it just didn't work. I'm going to wait till it gets a little bit warmer to take that god-awful sticker thing off. But you see the god-awful bow tie right there. You see that ugly-ass SS symbol right there. Check out what I got for you. Check this out right over here. This is going to replace the stock one, so it'll match the one that's on the front end. And the 1LE symbol right here is going to replace the SS symbol. So for everybody out there, got definitely some new exterior mods coming on for the 1LE. But like I said, I have to cut this video short because I have to go ahead and get my new tires installed. So stay tuned for that next upload. Hope everybody's having a bomb-ass day and everybody stay tuned for that new upload.